Okay, so in this video we're going to be looking at how to add or subtract matrices. So we have this problem here. Now this matrix is from the previous video where we looked at how to input matrices, so if you haven't seen that one before, please take a look at that one first. And this one's being added to this new matrix here. Now, the problem with this is these matrices aren't the same size. So this is a 4x2 matrix and this is a 3x2 matrix. And we can't actually do any addition or subtraction of matrices if the orders or if the sizes aren't the same. So actually this isn't a problem that can be done. So this there's no answer to this. So let us look at one that we can actually do. If we look at this problem down here, we have a 4x2 matrix being added to a 4x2 matrix. So that works. Now that first one there is already up on my screen, which I input in the previous video, and I'm going to put in this second one here now. So again, I'm in 2D, I go to calc, I put in a 4x2 matrix, and let me put in my numbers. So -1, and then 5, 7, 2, -4, almost done. Got a 3 here, another -4, and another 7. Okay, so as before, rather than just clicking enter now or exe now, let us input this into a letter. So again, we use this arrow. Again, we go to the variable tab and use a capital letter, so let's say N, and again we press exe. Okay, so now we have two matrices that we've input. One is M, which is that first one, and the other one is N, which we just did. Now the beauty of inputting matrices into variables is that we can actually make life very easier for ourselves now. All we do is we press M, which is this matrix here, plus N, which we just input, which was this matrix here, and as before we just press exe. Either one's fine. Again, I'm going to press this bottom right one, and that's the answer. That's all we need to do. Okay, so that's how we add matrices. If it was subtraction, so let's say over here we had a minus sign instead, we do the exact same thing. We just press M, this time minus N, and again we'd get our answer. So either way, all we need to do is we make sure we input each matrix into a letter, and then we just subtract the letters. And that's how we subtract or add matrices.